but really what they're interested in more than anything is to be able to avoid their situation happening to people in the future. That really is the big, that's the main motivator for why people do the research that we do. They don't want this to continue, and they want a new approach. And the only way we can do that is through the research.
Really powerful.
That's been really surprising, hasn't it?
It has actually, that it really, and so now we've almost started to incorporate that into the way that we recruit, because we know that that's something hugely important to the people that we see, is to stop this in the future, or there to be a different pathway for them, something they can do. And we always mention it now. We kind of say, you know, not only are you doing this for yourself, but you are doing this for potentially, you know, millions of people. I mean, the world's your oyster, isn't it?